There's no pink pigeon? Daddy will get mad.
Parang may nararamdaman ako hindi maganda.
Oh, the pigeons are cute.
I want pink, not dark
What did you say?
pink.
What? There's no pink pigeon? Daddy will get mad.
I want pink pigeon.
How about this one? It's red. Like me.
Parang may nararamdaman ako hindi maganda. Parang iba yung kutob ko.
Hey, what did you do to my pigeon?